and I had a lot of problems with my ankle, like it past 1.5, 2 years, and now that pain is gone, so it's good for me. It was good.
So you had the problem with the ankle for 1.5 years, and now it's gone. Okay, really good. And what have you seen in terms of your body changes?
I've seen like mostly my feet change. Like I don't seen a lot, but I seen visual, like my feet, my tennis are a little bit more popping, and I feel a little bit lighter.
Okay. And besides the feet changes and the tendons, do you feel any other differences in your glutes, in your core, in your how you move?
Yeah, I feel more glutes when I'm doing the exercise and when I'm playing, and I think I understand better my body now.
Okay.
A lot
And
better.
and after the training, what do you feel? After the soccer game, soccer matches, what do you feel in the body?
Like I don't feel a lot tired, but I feel sore mostly at the glutes.
You feel more than loose. Okay. And you're not from the US, you are where in Europe you're from?
From Croatia.
Croatia. Okay. Very good. And the soccer is very big over there.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. But you guys are also good in basketball too.
Yeah, in the last years, a little bit less, but we're quite good in sports. Yeah.
Okay. Great.